Welcome back, Phone Dance. So we did the unboxing on the 15 Pro, and now we're gonna go ahead and take it apart and see what's going on the inside and how different it is from the previous versions. So you're gonna start by opening up the bottom screws. I always like to put a piece of magnet down to lay my screws on. They are small screws, so if you don't keep track of them, they will be jumping all over the place and they'll make a mess. Perfect. So these phones do open up from the back, meaning you can actually remove the back glass if you ever drop it and you break the back glass. Yeah, it's the replacement for it is fairly simple. You just have to heat it up and pop it out, and we're gonna stick in the razor blade in between the frame bezel and the display, and we're gonna carefully pry up just so we can get a little bit of separation, just enough for us to slip our other tool in there and open up the display. Between the display and the frame bezel, and I'm not going to push it in. Now I'm going to gently slide my tool down the sides, create a little separation. So it opens up just like the 13 and the 14 series, where it opens up like a book. And there it is. I'm gonna go ahead and locate the battery flex cable to disconnect the power supply, and then we're gonna take apart the screen. And there it is, guys. There's the 6.1-inch OLED display. So there's the selfie camera and the dot projector sensor. So now that we opened it up and showed you guys the inside, we're gonna go ahead and close it up. And yeah, so I always like to connect the display and the proximity. I like to connect all the basically connection. if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and do not forget to subscribe, because that is the best way to support this channel